Hi, my name's John, I'm from UK Turnstiles. We're working here with Suprema today and we've got the UK T24. Lee's going to show you how we've integrated it with the air fob. Right, we're going to show you now with Lee doing the same again using his face on the Fusion 2.
Hello, it's George at Suprema. I'm just going to be going through the mobile access credential and the air fob service. All of the authentication is handled with the device, so there isn't a server actually needed. All it is the app on the actual phone. On the app, you come up, scan onto the reader, and then it authenticates and then opens the door.
Hi, it's Lee from UK Turnstiles here, just with our UK T57 swing gate. I'm just going to use the Suprema QR code scanner with their unit to gain access. Hi, I'm Sean, Business Development Manager for Suprema UK and Ireland. I'm just going to give you a brief demonstration of the BioLite N2 integrated with Paxton Net 2.
Hi there, I'm George Zitko. I'm the founder and managing director of the Zitko group of companies. We are a fire and security recruitment specialist, and we also work in partnership with Suprema on our newest solution, Zitko Talent. Zitko Talent is a train and deploy solution that is going to solve the talent crisis in the industry. We're finding great people from outside of the industry, and with the help of Suprema, we're bringing them into employers and training them up.
Hi, my name's Priya Venkateswamy and I'm one of the senior consultants on the talent division. So Zitko Talent is all about promoting the industry and bringing trainees into the fire and security sector. We're extremely pleased to have Suprema on board as one of our training partners. They're providing 2-day specialist courses on the BioStar systems, and we're really glad that they are part of our journey on the Zitko Talent programme.
So, end of a really busy week at the security events for Suprema Systems UK. Thanks so much to everybody that came along to see myself and the rest of the team. Thanks to the UK Turnstiles guys, absolutely great partner. Thought that they made the stand look the way it was. Tristan, Pete, Leanne and the guys at 19 Group, thank you so much for getting this thing up and running. We can't wait to see everyone next year. More information about us and our product, all of the information should be on the bottom here. Look forward to seeing you next year.